We'll guide you through how to convert NotebookLM PDF to PPT. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your preferred web browser on your device to begin converting a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation using NotebookLM. Once your browser is ready, go to notebooklm.google.com by typing the address into the address bar. Press enter and wait for the NotebookLM homepage to load completely before continuing to the next step. After the homepage has loaded, click the Create New Notebook button to start a new project workspace. This notebook will contain your PDF source and the presentation that NotebookLM generates from it. Once the notebook is created, click the Add Sources button to begin importing your content. From the available options, select the option to upload files. Next, locate the PDF file on your device that you want to convert into a presentation. Browse through your folders if necessary and select the correct file. After selecting the PDF, upload it to NotebookLM and wait while the platform processes and organizes the content. Once processing is complete, review the uploaded PDF source inside the notebook. Make sure the document has been imported successfully and that all important sections are available. After reviewing the content, open the right-hand panel, locate the Slide Deck option and click it to begin creating your presentation. Once it is ready, choose your preferred presentation format. Then choose the language you would like the presentation to use. Next, locate the field label, describe the slide deck you want to create. Enter a prompt such as, "Convert this PDF into a professional PowerPoint presentation." Finally, click the Generate button to begin the conversion process. Wait while NotebookLM analyzes the PDF and creates the slide deck automatically. Once you're done, click the three dots to the right of the video that has been generated. Then click Download PowerPoint or .pptx.